Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix unable to remove payment method on iPhone in iOS 16. Let's see the video. Method 1. Cancel subscription. Open up your settings app. Tap your name at the top. Now tap on subscription. It may take few seconds to open, so wait for a while. So friends, all your active subscription will be displayed here. You have to cancel all of them. Now tap cancel subscription to remove the subscription. Now confirm your cancellation. So friends, even if the subscription is cancelled, your subscription will be remain permanent. You don't have to worry about it. You can use your subscription till its time. Now go back to iCloud page and click on media and purchases. Click on view account. Enter your Apple ID password here and click on sign in. On the next page, click on manage payments. Now you can easily remove your payment method from here. Click on edit button at the top right corner of the page. Then click on minus sign and click remove. Click on remove to confirm that you want to remove your payment method. So friends, you can solve unable to remove payment method in this way. Method 2 is sign out your Apple ID and sign back in. So guys, if the problem is persist, then sign out your Apple ID. Open settings app, then click on your Apple ID at the top of the page. Now click on sign out. Here, enter your Apple ID password. Click on turn. Now click on sign out again. Then click on sign out at the top right corner of the page. Are you sure? It may take a minute to remove your iCloud data from this iPhone. Click sign out to confirm. So friends, after removing the iCloud account, wait for few minutes, then sign into your iPhone.